guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maliah. If you guys are new here, and if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, what are you doing? Like, click that button, stop playing. In today's video, guys, it is going to be a day in my life vlog. I realized that this video was just all in one day, so why not name it that? If you're a real one, you would know that this video is a continuation of the video that I posted last week. Go ahead, sit down, grab your snacks, chill out, put me on in the background, whatever you gotta do to get my views up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Once again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Good morning. So it is literally weeks later. I have a few things in mind that I do want to do today, but I don't want to get into it. I'm just gonna get into it when I'm doing it, just in case like I don't do something, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to just do a little bit of a Bible study with you guys. I feel like what I was reading was very much but I was reading Proverbs 1:32-33. I'll just read my notes. Basically, this verse describes the deliberate choice to turn away from God's counsel. Childish people are people that are just easily led astray. This rejection of guidance leads to their eventual ruin. The lack of immediate conviction convinces them that all is good when it's not, binding them until it's too late to change course. But by listening to God, you will feel security, which is founded on a relationship with Him. This does not mean a life without difficulties, but rather a deep internal peace that remains unshaken even during the storms, because you are anchored in truth. When I was reading this verse, I was heavily thinking about my ex-friend. She was in a few of my videos, but I'm not friends with any of the people anymore, actually. It reminded me of her because I remember when she came over to my house and we were talking, because that was the last time that we actually seen each other, and she was saying like how she doesn't understand why she keeps like feeling far away from God and why she keeps falling back into sins that she knows that she shouldn't go into. If you ever feel like you're far away from God, trust me, it's not Him. God said, I will never leave you nor forsake you. He is not a liar. You need to have faith that He isn't a liar. You need to have faith in His word. If you feel far away from God, it's you. Every time I feel far away from God, I don't think like, oh my gosh, God, you're so far away from me. I think I'm far away from God, so I need to get closer with Him again so I can feel His presence again. That reminded me kind of her, and the reason why we're not friends now is because unfortunately she did go back into the world, and you know, I'm actually just learning to kind of accept that and kind of learn forgiveness about that situation, because it really did hurt me. I just pray that she does come back to Christ fully and completely, and I pray that God will put a strength on her heart to come back to Him, because I know He misses His daughter. It reminds me of me, because currently right now, well not right now, well last week and the week before that and the week before that and the week before that and the week before that, all them weeks. That's why I have not been recording that much, y'all, because I've just been going through a lot of stuff. I'm trying to like forgive and, you know, learn different things right now. I don't think me recording is gonna like really help that, because I don't want to be putting on a fake face for you guys when I'm struggling with like stuff inside of me. Life is not gonna be butterflies and sunshine and rainbows. Okay, that's not what walking with God is. Jesus said that you'll be persecuted while following me. People will call you names and do all this stuff to you. Life isn't gonna be perfect when you're walking with Jesus, but it's the fact that you have somebody to lean on when you're going through those things. I feel kind of at peace right now, and I have a little bit of joy too. Like one day I was breaking down crying in my car, the next day I'm smiling and happy. That cannot be me in 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, and so on and so forth. That was not me. If I was sad about something, I would linger on it. I would stay depressed about it. I would stay in my room, cry, and just be sad all the time. How am I sad one day and completely happy the other? Only God can do that. Only God can do that. I think I was just lost right before I found God, and he helped me out of so much. He has changed my heart about so many different things. Like, if you know me from like back in high school, you know, like I was like a boy, crazy, depressed, insecure girl. I'm not that anymore. How can that change in just a year? Y'all don't understand. I used to be boy crazy, like boy crazy, boy crazy. Like, I literally wanted a boyfriend. I literally was talking to multiple people in 1 year, not all at once, okay? Not too much. And now I don't even desire to have like that connection with anybody else, because I want to have that connection with God. Literally, I just had a dream about like basically like me, and then I'm like with, I think he's in a gang, high-key, very much protective over me. But I love that dream because it makes me feel like I'm like genuinely protected by somebody that loves me. Whenever I'm in danger or whatever, he comes running by my side. And this morning I was thinking about the dream, and I'm just like, that's how he got. Like, I need to stop trying to like seek love from other people. I need to seek love from God. God is literally like that in real life. He's not just like that in a dream. Yes, he might not be physically there with me, but he is exactly like that. Like, he's protecting me from all the harm, all the danger, all everything. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and go now. I'm gonna like get dressed and stuff like that, I think, because I have to go to the gym. Hi guys! So I am out of the gym right now. I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I think I'm gonna sit down and edit just a little bit for like 30 minutes. Before I got my car, I was like, oh, like when I get my car, I'm gonna go to Starbucks and edit and just like, you know, be that kind of girl. And I don't think I've done it once. And I'm gonna go to Walmart, get the stuff that I need, and come back home. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys when I get to Starbucks. Hey guys, so I'm at the gym. I'm at Walmart. I have like 3 things that I need to pick up from here.
Hey, how you doing today, my queen? How you doing? Would you like to help us out with a quick signature for our petition?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Sure.
No, thank you,
Right,
but God bless
You're
you.
beautiful.
Thank you. As soon as he said queen, I knew. I'm gonna get some meal prep bowls. Y'all, I'm about to get one of these. When I move out, that's gonna come with me. Because I have these, but I don't like the different colors. If there's one thing that they got, I'll get it, but like, I don't think so. These are cute though. I feel like if I were getting bowls, I feel like I would get bowls like this, honestly. This is so cute. I know that I gotta ask my dad for like the best brands that he recommends. He is the cooking master. No offense to my mother. Okay guys, so right now I'm actually at Del Taco right now because me and my mom are gonna eat together. Let's go. Thank you, Mom. Hey guys, so currently I am back at home. I am honestly really drained from today. Right now I am gonna go ahead and vacuum my floor, then I'm going to put away my clothes. Let's get right into it because I need to get this done. I literally had vacuumed my floor on my list since Saturday, and it's just getting done now. I mean, I think honestly it's been on a little longer than that, but let's go ahead and light up a candle. Hey guys, good morning. So I just wanted to go ahead and end off this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.